Resiliency is the ability to bounce back in a positive manner from those setbacks and challenges that we inevitably experience in life. Now, to be more resilient, it's not that hard. And the reason it's not hard is because as humans, we are born resilient. We are all resilient. And if we are not feeling like we're resilient, it's really in our heads about what we're saying to ourselves about how resilient we are. So if you want to feel your resiliency and own your resiliency, the best thing to do is to look back upon your life and remind yourself exactly how you have been resilient, because you have. No doubt you have had challenges and setbacks that you have overcome. So when you can look back at those events and go, wow, yeah, that was hard, but I learned a lot. And here's who I am because of it today. When we go through that exercise, we remind ourselves, wow, I can do this. And so appreciating our resiliency in the past strengthens our resiliency in the present. So that's one very, very powerful way to do it. Another powerful way to increase your resiliency is meditation. Because in meditation, we are learning to witness our thoughts and recognize that we aren't our thoughts. And if we can create that distance from the stories that we're telling about how resilient we are or not, we create that distance, we can look at it more objectively and not fall victim to those false narratives that have us believing that we're not resilient. So at the end of the day, to be more resilient, 1, remember that you already are. 2, look back and celebrate all the ways in which you have been resilient. And 3, meditate, because meditation is just going to help you all around.